like a Polaroid love 사랑 촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 when I 왜 사랑에 못 되는 거지 어차피 뻔한 감정이잖아 너무 다 안 믿었지 알고도 빠진 음정인가 봐
I say hi. You just say vlog गर्दै भनेछ सजिलो है ओके राम्रो देख्यो भाइ तिम्रो हेयर कलर ओके बोथ दिदी भाइ चाहिँ एकदम दिसम्बर है But yeah guys, finally my brother Lobsang and I know we have been planning to come to one-to-one cafe since a really long time, right? He is back again in Sikkim, yet returned to Delhi last time, but उस time maybe नहीं हो सका, and before that only we had planned, but it could be possible only in the third time. But let's hope the cafe is open, eh? के भन न भाइ
Hello.
कुछ बोलो Why are you back in Sikkim by this time?
I had some work, that's why.
Yeah. And now you're leaving again, eh?
Yes,
In
next
few days.
week.
Next week, eh? एक दुई दिन सिक्किमको वेदरको मजा लिइराख
ले.
फेरि दिल्लीको गर्मी है Okay, now we'll see you all at the cafe. Guys, update, it's been about 5 minutes. And you know what? On our way here to Rumti Gumpa, that's where the cafe 1-to-1 is located. So sad for us, no bhai? Oh my god, what do I even say? But yeah guys, sadly the cafe was closed. But yeah, either ways, we had earlier planned that we'll go to Gumpa first. We are going to take Kora of Rumti Gumpa since, you know, we rarely visit Gumpas, no? So we are going to take Kora of Gumpa and then after that we'll go to cafe. ऐसा सोच रखा था, but unfortunately the cafe is closed, guys. अब क्या करेंगे? अभी हम लोग यहाँ गुम्पा का ही कोरा करेंगे. उसके बाद we'll see where we gonna go. Third time भी charm नहीं हुआ तो भाई क्या कहना चाहते हो?
Oh, next time.
There's always a next time, eh? Anyways, yeah guys, let's do Kora and connect with God. Guys, we are done with our darshan at Rumti Gumpa and now my brother and I, we are going down again. I was telling Lobo, like we were clicking pictures and I was telling him that this hairstyle is looking good on him. आप लोग भी comment कर देना उन्हें. Anyways, now we are thinking we'll have to go to another cafe which is Gloria Bay. And I just got to know. Oh, today's not Tuesday. Gloria Bay is only closed on Tuesday. Hopefully, guys, kuch galat na ho. Okay, you do less that money. I'll just accompany you, bane. Lobo ko last few days in Sikkim being captured in my vlog. Right? Yeah, guys. By the way, no, if you all ever come to Sikkim, then always rotate the money clockwise. See? Yeah, in the clockwise, okay. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise only, right? You clockwise हो? Clockwise, sorry, clockwise, okay? क्योंकि anti-clockwise नहीं rotate कर सकते, like there are certain rules like that. So अभी हम दोनों जा रहे हैं. Hopefully Gloria Bay is open. 1-to-1 is not open. Let's go. Hi guys, we have made it here to Gloria Bay and मतलब पास्ता एउटा भन्नुभएको हजुर अल्फाडो भन्यो भाइ है हजुर हजुर गार्लिक र अनियन हजुर प्लस थ्याङ्क यू Okay, so our order is slowly arriving. Let me show you all what has come first. Okay, let me show you all. So firstly, here's my brother Lobo. Say hi. Hello. And Lobo's order is this cappuccino, na bhai? Okay, we have got cappuccino. After that, I got hazelnut latte. The visual is looking good. Let's see how it tastes. And this one is mixed berries
cheesecake.
So yeah, excited. to try it. You can have by
Okay. This Adler?
less. You're adding sugar?
Yeah.
Don't add in mine less.
Okay.
हेजलनट अगाडि नै अलिक स्विटै हुँदो रहेछ है ट्राई गर्नु त भाइ यताबाट ट्राई गर्नु न कस्तो रहेछ यताको पनि हेजलनट हो रहेछ यही हेजलनट स्विटै हुँदो रहेछ
Nice.
है नाइस है चिज केक लेट्स ट्राई मिक्स बेरिज चिज केक
Fresh also.
It's good. What pasta was this, boy?
Alfredo.
Alfredo. Yeah. Our pasta is Alfredo. ये उनीहरूले हामीलाई स्पाइसेस दिँदैछ है
I'll try this.
How is it?
Decent.
है म त आजकल नै क्यालोरी डेफिसियन्टमा बसेर कि उयो हुँदो रहेछ मान्छेको ओभर द टाइम एपेटाइट घट्दै जाँदो रहेछ क्यालोरी डेफिसियन्टमा बस्दा पनि है जे पनि हो लाइफमा चाहिँ वी निड एउटा किन के एउटा चाहिँ प्यासन समथिङ ड्राइभ चाहिँ वी निड हो है लेट्स ट्राई द स्यान्डविच यो ग्रिन त के सस हो कि है
So it's like it's unappetizing like green गर्दा
लेट्स ट्राई यो चाहिँ तर तातो भएर मजा आयो फाइन
I'm glad we got like chicken to khana.
But we overestimate ourselves and but खानु सक्दैन है मन पर्यो मलाई एक किसिमको Guys, I'm back here in Gangtok today and it's around 10 o'clock in the morning. I have come to Gangtok today for two work basically. One work is I need to go to a clinic, like a skin clinic. I shall see to show my that rash. And it's also starting to rain, yeah. So annoying. And also after a while I'll be meeting my friend Chiring. And Jing and I, we have decided to go for a movie. Super excited. We're gonna be watching Spider-Man. Oh my god. Anyways, I came, my taxi stopped at Rankastan. I think I need to take out my umbrella. So I was saying that my taxi, it stopped at Rankastan. After that, just a second. Okay. So yeah, guys. Wow! My taxi stopped at Rankastan. After that, I've come walking. It just took me 1 to 2 minutes. There's a construction sound going on, so I'll talk to you all after some time. Guys, I've been walking for a while. And yeah, the clinic, I've just been asking at few medicine shops. So apparently the clinic is at Namnang Road. So I'm going there. And you know, it's so funny, like just a while ago, it was starting to rain. So I had opened my umbrella, but after walking for a while, it just stopped raining and it's actually getting sunny. So yeah, I just had to close my umbrella. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to the clinic. Hopefully it's open. I'll update you all after some time what happens. Guys, right now I am on my way to West Point Mall. So what I did was I went to the clinic, but I got to know that the doctor, skin doctor at the clinic, she's going to arrive only at 2 p.m. So yeah, that's the reason why I came early was I thought I'll visit the skin doctor first and then we will proceed with our plans. But I could not. The plan did not go as planned because the skin doctor only arrives at 2 p.m. So it's like 10:30 p.m. right now, 10:30 a.m. And that's the reason why I am going to West Point. I also had to stop by Tharo Line because my dad had won a lottery, like not bigger amount, just a small amount. He won a lottery, so he wanted me to collect the prize money. So I just did that. That's why I had to come all the way from this Tharo Line and this, Lal Bazaar Road area. Otherwise, I would have gone to West Point Mall directly from MG Marg only. But, यहाँ पे मेरा dad का काम भी कर लिया. He was like calling me and reminding, hey, don't forget to bring my lottery का prize money करके. But yeah, anyways, that is done. My friend Chinchurin, she's also on her way because our movie plan is at 11:20. So we have about an hour. Now what I'll do is I'll head. Itna construction ka shore hai guys, subah Gangtok mein. But yeah, I'll head towards West Point and I'll wait for my friend out there. And oh my god, taxi is. So yeah, I'll see you all after some time. I'm in West Point Mall. Oh, we're gonna go for movies with my pretty Yoja. Let's go, Ching. The entrance is all yours, Sunny. Ladies, wara jane Ching firi. Oh. Guys, we got our tickets checked in. Today we both are twinning grey. Coincidentally twinning club, right? And yeah, we are entering inside. Third class roadless. Thank you. Movie on mat, it would be my first time. Guys, please comment who is your favorite Spider-Man. What about you? Is it that Toby, that first Koki, Andrew Garfield ki Tom Holland? Tom Holland. My favorite Andrew Garfield. My favorite Spider-Man is Andrew Garfield, na. But yeah, but Tom was in the support got him. Let's see. It's yours is second time watching Spider-Man in movie hall.
No.
Second or third. Okay, wow. But mine is first, so I'm super excited.
And I hope that deep down something inside of you remembers that you love me too.
Guys, it's interval and we have come outside. We're planning to get popcorn. Gonna try the popcorn here. So we're just waiting in line. This was our caramel popcorn, eh?
Yeah.
Caramel popcorn and nachos, sauce, and then we also got this cold drink. Guys.
आपको भी बहुत मुबारक।
कौन-सी आजादी और किसका मुल्क? ये हिंदुओं का मुल्क है, हिंदुओं का।
Done with our movie. How was it? How would you rate it? How much would you rate it? Good. It was good, right? Yeah, it was interesting. And now we are heading back to town.
This is
I see.
first time
First time what?
I'm looking back.
Oh,
This side.
this is police headquarters, no? Yeah. But I think while the time we were in movie hall, it seems like it must have rained heavily outside, no?
Yeah, really.
Yeah. Ice Americano. Let me show. Let me show it. Lagi guys okay? I know. You don't want to use the straw. Guys, we are done with our coffee run here at Sikkim Coffee. We did not feel like eating anything because earlier the popcorn and what did we eat? Nachos, right? Yeah, popcorn and nachos, especially the caramel popcorn. No, I think it was like it was stuck in our gati, na? And then we both were like, oh my god, we cannot wait to drink like
Something
coffee.
bitter,
Yeah, something bitter to let that gulle go away.
Almost go away.
Yeah. I was looking for Manu at Bagel Chakra, but he's not there. Is he? Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, done with our coffee run at Sikkim Coffee. Feels so good. अब हामीलाई यति बेसी उयो हुन्छ है caffeine rush है
I want the rush.
Yeah. Guys, update about my this skin condition. I met Dr. Peggy. I just recall that earlier, several years ago, when I was around, how old was I at the time? I was in class 6 or 7. He was my friend. At the time, I had a certain skin condition and I had gone to Dr. Peggy and she had fixed it, okay? And likewise, my friend here, Chiring also, eh? Even, talking with her, I got to know that Chiring has also been to Dr. Peggy's clinic a couple of times. Many times actually, na? So, yeah, this time also I went to Dr. Peggy's clinic. And yeah, apparently I got to know कि ये जो मेरा skin condition है ना, this is not ringworm, guys. Like doctor was saying कि yes, ringworm is transferable ki, but not so easily. And she was telling me some dermatitis ki ke भन्ने थियो कि, yeah, dermatitis or something, that skin condition. So she has given me like tablet and malam, हैन. So I have to apply that and take the tablet for 3-4 days. Then I should be okay after that.
It is because of sun.
Yeah, she told me to be careful of the sun. हुन्छ नि एक दुई दिन चाहिँ स्किन लाग्यो घाममा चाहिँ उयो नगर्नु सनस्क्रिन लाउनु अरे सो हामीले बुझ्यौँ तपाईँहरू पनि अब अहिले तपाईँहरूको भएको पनि छैन होइन बेटर बाहिर घामहरूमा निस्किँदा चाहिँ नि नेकमा पनि सनस्क्रिन अप्लाई नै गर्नु रहेछ ओ माई गॉड जवान लड़की खूबसूरत लड़की के साथ क्या क्या होना होता है भने एनीवेज guys, we took about 2 strolls of MG Mart and now we are just seated here. Are you done with your? This shows your lip products now. Let's do what's in my bag. Let's see what's in Chiring's bag, Bani. But yeah, let me show you my friend's lippy collection. Okay, it's like so nice. Please explain to us now, detail ma.
Oh my God. I've got 3.
It's easy to vlog like this, right?
One is like a marker, the other one is like a, one is like a marker.
This one is
a marker.
Marker,
This one's a tint.
Tint, eh?
And this one is a, I don't know,
it's a balm kind of, yeah. I think it's mostly selected by your sister, no?
Yeah.
Tequila. But yeah, oh my god, just look at my friend's lippy collection. Nice. And yeah, I was thinking, I'm looking up at bed, no? We were just, because we walked for some time, so we were just resting. But now again we'll have to start walking.
Yeah,
because the bench is kind of old and we need to digest a lot of things and get our steps in also. So वही है अभी बातें कर रहे, we're just catching up on lots of things. हमारे गफ त relevance of the night, never ending. Like even छुट्टी टाइममा पनि we'll be like ला एउटा गफ त भन्नै बिर्सियो भन्दा है.
We'll call him.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. I'm going to vlog ma bye bani. Bye. We'll see each other very very soon la.
Yeah,
take care la. Give my regards to your parents.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.